Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Learn Hub. Today's topic is place value. If you haven't watched my previous lectures, please go through them. I have explained numbers very clearly and also smallest and largest digit numbers. Okay, what is place value? Place value means suppose you have a number 1000, that is 1000, and we say the rightmost digit, that is 0 here, is said to be in ones place, and the next digit towards left, that is this 0 here, that is said to be in tens place, and the next digit, that is 0 here, is said to be in hundreds place, and the next digit towards left is said to be in thousands place. Suppose you have a number 1 and it is having only one digit, that is 1. So here the rightmost digit is 1. So it is said to be in ones place. Suppose you have another number 5. It is having again only one digit and the rightmost digit here is 5. So this 5 is said to be in ones place again. Suppose you have another number 9. Again it got only one digit, that is 9, and the rightmost digit here is 9. So this 9 is said to be in again ones place. Okay. Suppose you have another number 10. In the 10 there are two digits, 1 and 0. Here 0 is the rightmost digit. So this 0 is said to be in the ones place. Okay. This is what ones place means. And if you consider next number, that is 15, there are two digits again here, that is 1 and 5, and this 5, the rightmost digit here is 5. This 5 is said to be in ones place. Again, if you consider another example, that is 1 9, that is 19, the rightmost digit here is 9, and this 9 is said to be in ones place. So if you have any number, the rightmost digit is said to be in ones place. Okay. And suppose you have this number 10 again, and you have two digits here, and if you consider this digit, that is 1, the rightmost digit here is 0, so it was in ones place, right? The next digit towards left is 1, so next digit towards left will be in the tens place. Okay, this was in ones place and this one is in tens place. Suppose if you consider another number 25, that is 25, then this 5 is in ones place and the next digit towards left here is 2. So this 2 is said to be in tens place. Okay. Now if you consider another example 1 9, that is 19, then this one, that is second digit from right, is said to be in tens place. Okay. So rightmost digit will be ones place and the next digit towards left will be in the tens place. If you consider another number 106, then I just told you 6 is in ones place. This is the rightmost digit and the next digit is 0. So it will be in tens place. And next digit here is 1. So 1 will be in hundred place. We say this one as present in hundreds place. Okay. If you consider another number 257, that is 257, then this 7 will be in ones place, 5 will be in tens place, this 2 is said to be in hundreds place. Okay. And if you consider another number 394, then the number that is 3 here, that is the start number from the rightmost digit here is 4 and the next number is 9 and next number is 3. This 3 is said to be in hundreds place. Okay. This rightmost digit 4 is said to be in ones place and the next digit 9 is said to be in tens place and the next digit 3 is said to be hundreds place. And suppose if you consider this number 987, that is 987, then the rightmost digit here is 7. So the rightmost digit here 7 is said to be in ones place and the next digit towards left here is 8 and this 8 is said to be in tens place and the next digit towards left is 9 and this 9 is said to be in hundreds place. Okay. See, it is very simple. So the rightmost digit is in ones place and the next digit towards left is tens place and the next digit towards left is hundreds place, and the next digit towards left is thousands place, and it will keep on increasing like ones, tens, the hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, just like that. Okay, so if you have 1257, then 7 is in ones place and 5 is in tens place. Okay, and this 2 is in hundreds place and this one is in thousands place. You understand it, right? You have to move from right to left, and it will move from place value, move from 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, and suppose you have this very large number, that is 2,34,576. Then rightmost digit here is 6. So the 6 is said to be in ones place. And the next digit towards left is 7. So the 7 is said to be in tens place. And the next digit towards left is 5. So the 5 is said to be in hundreds place. And the next digit towards left is 4. The 4 is said to be in thousands place. And the next digit towards left is 3. This 3 is said to be in 10,000s place. And the next digit here is 2. So 2 is said to be in 1 lakhs place or lakhs place. Okay. What does place value mean? What does place value actually mean? Suppose you have number 1257. Okay. Then if you consider this rightmost digit, it is said to be in ones place. Why it is said to be in ones place? Because if we change this 7 to its next number, what comes after 7? 8. So if you change this 7 to its next number, that is 8, you will get 1258 from 1257. See, 1258 is the next number of 1257. It is just next number. So the value of this number, that is 1257, changed by only one value when you change the rightmost digit to its next number. The total value is changed by only one value. That is the reason it is said to be in ones place. Okay, if you change rightmost digit by 1, the value will be changes only by 1. That is the reason rightmost digit is said to be in ones place. And if you consider this 5 in the 1257, this is said to be in tens place. Why? Again same. If you change this 5 to its next number, what comes after 5? 6. So if you change this 5 to 6 and keeping the rest of the digits same, so you will get 1267. That means its value is 1257 value is changed by 10. So you need 10 numbers to reach from 1257 to 1267. That is the reason we say 5 is in tens place. Okay, did you understand it, right? If we change it 5 to 6, we have the total value is changed by 10 units. Okay, that is the reason 5 is in tens place. If you move to next number, here it is 2. We say 2 is in hundreds place. Why? For the same reason. If you change this 2 to its next number, that is 3, the total value of 1257 changes by 100. See, you need 100 numbers to reach from 1257 to 1357. So the value is changed by 100. That is the reason we call this digit, that is this place, as hundreds place. So 7 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place. If you move further left, here this is thousands place. What does that mean? Again same. If you change this digit by 1, the total value of the this number changes by 1000 units. So there are 1000 numbers from 1257 to 2257. That is 2257. If you change 1 to 2, you will get 2257. The total value changes by 1000. That is the reason this is said to be in thousands place. Okay. And if you consider very large number, the rightmost digit is 7. So it is in ones place. And the next digit here is 5. And it is in tens place. And the next digit here is 1. It is in hundreds place. Next digit here is 2. This is in thousands place. and the next digit here is 6. This is 10,000s place. Why? If you change this number to its next number, that is 7, the total value will change by 10,000. That is the reason 6 is said to be in 10,000s place. Okay? See, if you change this 6 to 7, you will get 472157. That is 4,72,157. And the total value is changed from 4,62,157 to 4,72,157. That is, it is changed by 10,000 numbers. That is the reason this is said to be 10,000's place. Okay, and if you move further left, you will get 4,62,157. Right? This is the number we have. So if we change this number, that is from 4 to 5, you will get from 4,62,157 to 5,62,157. That means this number is changed by 1 lakh. That is the reason we say 4 is in 1 lakh's place. Okay, now you understood, right? There are 1 lakh's numbers between these two numbers. That is the reason we say 4 is in 1 lakh's place. Suppose if you have number 1329, that means you have, see, this 9 is in ones place, this 2 is in tens place, this 3 is in hundreds place, this 1 is in thousands place. So that means what? You have 9 ones and 2 tens and 3 hundreds and 1000. See, 9 is in ones place. That means you have 9 ones. 2 is in tens place. That means you have 2 tens. 3 is in hundreds place. That means 3 hundreds. 1 is in thousands place. That means you have 1000. If you have all these 1000, 300s, 2 tens and 9 ones, that means you have 1329. Okay. Suppose you have this large number, that is 2,34,576. Then 6 is said to be in ones place, 7 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, 4 is in thousands place, 3 is in 10,000s place, 2 is in 1 lakhs place. This means you have 6 ones and 7 tens and 5 hundreds, 4 thousands, 3 10,000s, 2 lakhs. Okay. And if you consider very large number, you can easily tell this time the rightmost digit 4 is in ones place, and the next digit 6 is in tens place, and the next digit 3 is in hundreds place, and the next digit 2 is in thousands place, and the next digit 8 is 10,000s place, and the next digit 7 is in 100,000s place, and the next digit 5 is in again 1 million's place, and the next digit 9 is in 10 millions place, and the next digit is 1, that is in 100 millions place. And if you have further digits, it's keep on moving, right? Start from rightmost digit and keep on moving towards left, from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, and so on. Okay, this is what place value is, right? So this is a question for you. You need to comment the place value of the underlying digit in each of these numbers. Okay, if you understand place value, please give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next lecture.